I'm standing here at DSEI 2015 beside what to the average man in the street would appear to be a bog standard Range Rover product. However, this vehicle is anything but bog standard Range Rover, and here to explain a little bit about the vehicle is John Graham, Commercial Manager, Armoured Products for Land Rover. John, could you perhaps tell us a little bit about this vehicle and what makes it so special?
Thanks for coming to see us, Sean. First thing, it's far from bog standard. Land Rover don't make bog standard vehicles. This is even more special though. It's built by Land Rover's Special Vehicle Operations team, and it's an armoured vehicle. It's designed to withstand very high levels of attack from armour-piercing bullets, explosives attacks, hand grenades, and it is the kind of vehicle that heads of state might want to use, or people who are in dangerous parts of the world and seriously need protection.
Are there any official protection standards, protection levels that you can quote that will perhaps identify the quality of the product to those that might know about such things?
Yes, Sean. There are a number of different standards that different countries and different legislation bodies adopt. This vehicle has been certified to a standard VR8, which means that it's proof against incendiary armour-piercing vehicles. So very high standard. A normal, good, solid, quality armoured vehicle, VR7. This is VR8. It's that much better.
And we say it's armoured, but standing here looking at it, it's anything other than armoured. How do you go about making it so discreetly protected?
The first thing that you need to do with a discreet armoured vehicle is to keep it discreet. One of the challenges of my job, unlike the rest of the business, is to say, look at my new car. I bet you can't tell what's different about it. That's the role of the armouring process within Special Vehicle Operations. So our whole ethos is to keep it as discreet as possible, to make all the lines as much like a normal Range Rover as we possibly can. There's lots of ways we do that. So we look to model special armoured wheels that look like armoured wheels on one of our standard vehicles. But this is actually a standard Range Rover. It is part of our range of products. It's armoured, it's different, but it's built by Range Rover in the same way that any other Range Rover is made. It's a proper Range Rover product.
So does the base vehicle come down the Range Rover production line and then goes to special vehicles for its armouring treatment?
Absolutely. When all of the cars are built to order, and as soon as the car is born, for want of a better expression, it knows it's going to be an armoured car. So as it goes down the production line at Solihull, it picks up special features that armoured cars have. So it's designated by its VIN that it's an armoured car. It has a weight plate on it that says it will weigh 4.4 tonnes rather than the normal weight. So from the day it's first ordered, it knows it's going to be an armoured car, and Land Rover build it at the Solihull production line as a core car in exactly the same way. Then, Sean, as you said, Special Vehicle Operations turn the magic onto it.
And we must assume, I guess, that the suspension, the steering and all those sort of ancillary components are all uprated from the standard?
Uprated, redesigned, or even unique. There are parts on this Range Rover that are not on a normal Range Rover, not including the armoured parts. The car needs to carry 4.4 tonnes, so it really needs to have a unique suspension system that's a combination of uprated parts, changed parts, and completely different parts.
And some of your competitors offer protected Range Rovers. What sets this vehicle apart from those?
The real big difference between one of our products and one that is a conversion, it means that this car, as I said before, was born to be an armoured Range Rover. It was always intended to be that. So it's European whole vehicle type approved as an armoured car. It's fully homologated. It has to pass all the road tests that a normal Range Rover would pass after it's been armoured. What happens with an aftermarket armouring product is that vehicle passes that test before it's armoured and then is armoured afterwards. So any homologation and test work can be completely undermined by the armouring process that happens to a non-OEM vehicle after it's been completed.
And does the Armoured Range Rover customer get the standard 3-year international warranty?
Absolutely. 3 years warranty, anywhere in the world, any Land Rover dealer.
Excellent. Thank you, John.
Thank you.